Bruner. It's from Matt Bruner. It's Matt Bruner.
Box time. Alright, go ahead.
I gotta do this quick because I gotta go to work.
I'm doing a Connor jumping for me.
Hey, this is mine. There's to Sarah. Shoved in there. Hey, that's that candy.
Guilt.
Dude.
Guilt, because it sounds like guilt.
That's the best present you can give a pregnant woman.
Also,
Cracker Barrel. It's a $25 gift card to Cracker Barrel. Deserve a gift now.
that's one meal right there.
Hey man, it's my meal.
Pregnant woman, it'll be 2 meals.
It's totally worth it, right?
Yeah. Chill. Oh dear Lord. Little Gur pencil.
Holy snap. Holy snappy cakes.
Okay, I gotta figure out whose is what here. Oh, this is Connor's. Come over here. Where Aunt Bruner can see you on the camera. This is from Aunt Bruner.
Thank you, Aunt Bruner.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
And then
Awesome.
this is for everyone.
Green Lantern.
Hanukkah surprise. This is for everyone.
Awesome.
Neato.
This is Bob's.
Hot sauce.
Oh dear Lord.
Check that out. That's awesome. Raspberry jalapeno. That sounds good.
Oh my God. 1, 2, 3, 4 things in Mexican spoon. Those are best every year.
Yay, he's black.
And baby stuff.
And then baby stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Baby stir.
Yeah, remember guys, she didn't have a job, so she polled.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you, Aunt Bruner.
Daddy's little trooper.
Aw.
And then Captain Cutie reporting for duty. That's the one you liked.
That's cool.
Then another one.
Haha, yes.
We have 2.
Don't get camouflage, bitch.
Come on, no, baby.
Awesome.
Bob, don't
Thank
get
you, Bruner.
I camouflage, baby.
Everybody say thank you.
Thank you, Bruner.
Thanks, Bruner.